Have you ever wondered what really happens behind the closed doors of one of the world's largest cigarette factories? What makes a cigarette so addictive? And how does a simple green leaf turn into a product used by millions every day? Today, as we uncover the hidden journey of cigarette production, from open farmlands to high-speed machines capable of producing thousands of cigarettes every minute. Before we begin, it's important to say this clearly. This video does not promote smoking. Cigarettes are harmful to health, and their use carries serious risks. Our goal is purely educational, revealing the process behind a product that has shaped global history. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, an estimated 28.3 million adults in the United States smoke cigarettes, and nearly 2.8 million middle and high school students use at least one tobacco product. With numbers like these, one question becomes unavoidable. Why are cigarettes still so widely used? Let's go inside the process to understand. Long before modern cigarettes existed, tobacco leaves were used by ancient civilizations such as the Maya and Aztec, who valued them for ritual and medicinal purposes. In the 16th century, European explorers introduced tobacco to the wider world. At first, it was considered a medical remedy and a leisure product. By the 19th century, cigarettes had become deeply rooted in American consumer culture. However, as scientific research advanced, the serious health hazards of smoking were revealed, leading to global efforts to reduce tobacco use. So how are cigarettes actually made? The journey begins in the flatlands of North Carolina, where springtime provides the perfect conditions for planting. Skilled workers carefully fill trays with soil in nursery areas. Automated seeding machines then spread tiny tobacco seeds evenly across the surface. These trays are transferred into greenhouses, where the seeds begin their transformation. After about 7 weeks, the seedlings are strong enough to be transplanted into open fields. Machines plant them into the soil, where they receive daily care. As they grow, the plants reach heights comparable to a 5 or 6-year-old child. By July, the tobacco plants begin to flower. Farmers then use cutting machines to remove the tops of the plants, forcing nutrients to concentrate in the leaves. Growth inhibitors are applied to control unwanted shoots and ensure leaf quality. About a month later, the leaves turn yellow, an unmistakable sign they're ready for harvest. Specialized digging machines lift the plant from the soil and load them into large bins on trucks. With favorable weather, farmers can enjoy a successful harvest season. Once transported to the warehouse, the real transformation begins. The harvested leaves are poured onto conveyor belts and moved into large chain containers. Heat generated by burning wood beneath the floor slowly dries the leaves. This curing process takes 5 to 8 weeks, reducing moisture and enhancing flavor. After drying, the leaves are compressed into neat square bundles and shipped to processing plants, where the modern cigarette journey truly accelerates. Inside the factory, raw tobacco leaves are first sorted by size, type, and quality. Overly dry leaves are lightly steamed to restore flexibility. Next, stripping machines separate the valuable leaf material from the tough stalks. The stripped leaves are then blended and cut into fine pieces. At this stage, the operation becomes incredibly fast and highly automated. Some machines can produce up to 20,000 cigarettes per minute. Here's how it works. A long roll of cigarette paper, stretching up to 7,000 meters, unwinds smoothly as a precise line of tobacco is placed along its center. The paper wraps tightly around the tobacco, forming a continuous cigarette rod. This rod is cut into equal lengths, and filters are attached to each end using tipping paper. Every step is monitored through strict quality control systems. Finished cigarettes are grouped together, wrapped in foil to preserve freshness, placed into packs, and sealed with protective film. These packs are then boxed into cartons, ready for distribution worldwide. Modern factories also use advanced technology and waste management systems to reduce environmental impact, though the health risks of the final product remain undeniable. So, after seeing this entire process, the question remains, is understanding how cigarettes are made enough to change how we view them? Thank you for joining Captain Discovery on this eye-opening journey behind the scenes of cigarette production. If you found this exploration informative, like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating discoveries from around the world.